Hey guys, Nick Miller here today, Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2023, that is correct, 2023 John Deere 331G. So, rubber track skid steer loader. This unit has 1,560 hours on it. This unit still has full John Deere emissions warranty on it until December 23rd of 2027. I have myself some cheat notes here. And it has extended warranty on it until December 21st, 2027. This unit is a very well-equipped machine. It is cab heat air, EH controls, which is joystick control, 2-speed, 18-inch wide tracks. It does have ride control on it. It has auto level both ways, power quick attach, 14 and 3-pin attachment control device, backup camera. It has the dethrottleizer option in it. It actually also has ISO and H pattern option, block heater, air ride heated cloth seat. It has an OEM 80-inch, I think I heard 80-inch or 84-inch John Deere. I'll have that in the ad. John Deere OEM bucket with a serrated bucket cutting edge, and then you can also turn that to a smooth edge. These machines have everything in them but high flow. Very nice machine. It is all original paint on the yellow, the gray, the tracks. We put a brand new set of 18-inch wide tracks on it. I did put a brand new set of sprockets on it. Machine is a very good machine. Well, I spent some money and went and bought full John Deere set of filters. We've changed everything. We did change the drive motors, hub oils also at the proper GL5 oil it called for. Again, cabin filters, everything has been changed. Guys, this is a very, very good running, working machine. It's got scratches and scrapes on it of a normal machine. It is a 2023 year model machine. We're going to start you back here in the engine compartment. I'm going to take you completely around this machine just like we always do. So, back here in the engine compartment of this machine, you are going to see it is going to be powered by a Yanmar 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Again, we've done a complete and full service. Engine oil, hydraulic, fuel, everything has been changed and done. Air filters, and I went right to John Deere, bought all the factory filter kit stuff, so that was taken care of. Hydraulic fan in the rear, has the work lights in the rear. Again, it does have the block heater. Guys, I'm not going to pull those shields off for the video. The block heater is there. I took very good pictures. I pulled everything off. Batteries here, def tank is over there. What I meant in the previous statement I made, there's scuffs on the machine just where it's scratched. We did paint the undercarriage. I wanted to mention that. That's the only part of the gray that we really touched up. Painted the undercarriage. Again, brand new sprockets, brand new tracks just put on. We did all the service at 1558. The writing on there in blue, 1558 MSC. That's us, Mark Supply Company. Again, OEM John Deere bucket with that serrated edge. You can flip it around with a smooth edge. Up front here, you are going to have the power quick attach on it. Again, all the yellow paint's original. Auxiliary hydraulics here with case drain, 14 and 3-pin. Boom is straight. Cab is straight. Cab door is complete. We did put a new door seal on it from John Deere. It had a mark on the door seal, so we went ahead and replaced it. Cloth seat, air ride, heated seat, all works, fully adjustable. So, AM FM Radio, I'm going to shut that off because I do not hold the rights to the music. I don't want to have any problems there with YouTube. Active codes, no active codes. We're going to head down here to stored codes. We have no stored codes. 1,560 hours. There's your volts, temps, tack, power quick attach. That's for your auxiliary 3-pin headlights, AC, everything there works. Here you're going to have your joystick response. Here you're going to have your bucket speed response. Here is your selection from dethrottleizer to throttleizer. You can run ISO or H pattern. Here you're going to have your ride control button, and then here's going to be your auto level both ways. Joystick machine, which we'll go ahead and push the park brake button. 2-speed machine, there that is. We do have our creeper function up here. It's going to limit our speed, and then if I take here and go like this, it's going to give us the percentages in which it'll change that. And if I want to kick out of that, just hit the 2-speed button. Rear view mirror, backup camera. Again, guys, very nice machine. We'll turn this camera back over to Braden. Listen, this is a 2023 year model machine. It is not a brand new machine. For what I'm asking for this machine, a new machine to put it in this place is $113,000 roughly. You know, you get into a 333, they're 120 couple. My opinion, John Deere's lost their mind on what one of these size of machines cost. These are a brute of a skid loader. They truthfully are. They're a powerhouse of a machine. They're a big loader, and they'll do a lot of work. I've owned a lot of these in the past. Again, very good machines. This machine's fully loaded with the option it does not have high flow, and there'll be a million guys ask that question. Is it high flow? Is it high flow? No. And guys, let's face it. You're going to do a forestry mulching kit. You're going to put a $10,000 cooler on the machine to start with to even do that. I don't care what anybody says. You're going to do it. It's a reality. At this point anymore, you're better off, in my opinion, to buy a dedicated mulching machine. But if you need a big track loader for big work, this is an amazing machine for that. Guys, we're going to fire this thing up this time. We're going to run it around, show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. And we're going to mute that radio again. Guys, again, these are a big machine. They're a autoloader. I had one last year I bought, and I actually used it for a while. I stripped a bunch of topsoil with it. What an amazing machine. They will honestly get it. I have a 450 inch dozer, and literally this thing will run circles around that machine. There we're in auto level. That's a nice option to have if you're loading trucks. And you can see there it is, auto bringing the bucket back. That is an extremely nice option. There up to 2-speed, back to single speed. Camera works nice. You can see what's going on behind the loader. All the glass guys is in the cab. The machine's complete. I did spend some money on it there down here. Going through everything. We've had tub out where your feet set. We've completely washed everything out, checked for any leaks. Guys, that's something that I do whenever we're in the machine. We get through, we like to do our service work. That way I know what I got when I'm putting it out the door and I'm comfortable with it. That's just me. Some guys aren't that way, and let's just face it, some guys just truthfully don't care. You know, and it's really funny. We still get people, I do all this work, take all these videos, do all this stuff. You still have people that call and doubt you that you actually did that. But that's just what we do. You come to look at what we're putting out, that's what it is. I'm not here to hide anything. That's why I take the time. It's actually Saturday afternoon. Probably actually 6 o'clock here right now. My oldest son doing these videos. My youngest son's here with us. It's just kind of a family thing of what we do here. We're just a small family-owned business. There's 8 of us here. But this is what we're into. That's what we do. I try my best to show and represent what we're selling accurately. Do that, any surprises, just trying to do the right thing. Something else on these machines, we have optional secondary hydraulic filter on these. So whenever I run whenever I pick my parts up at my local dealer for this, they shorted us a hydraulic filter. So I called him and I was like, hey, Andy, what's up with this? And he said, well, I didn't know whether that machine had it or not. It is an optional extra hydraulic filter. And it does have it. So it was an optional. I didn't have that. So it was a nice upgrade. So it does have that. I gotta give Deere credit. Deere has always had my opinion on their loaders, and I don't know if it's the geometry on the bucket or what it is. They have a very, very nice. I think it's how their bucket sits down in the pocket when you're grading. They have a very nice grade to them. Carry a grade nice. Notice that. I just think it's their new design. This unit does have JD Link on it. It's up here. Exactly like you check that. And it does have JD Link that they actually can remove into the machine. Check everything set up. If you're operating it and it needs maintenance, or if you have an issue, it'll actually send it. Guys, again, there's the ride control button. You got to have something in the bucket for that to actually work. Brand new tracks, again, we just put those on. Brand new sprockets. The machine is very smooth, and you will find out the Deere. Deere has a very good EH series control. I'm going to unlatch this bucket real quick, show you that that all works. The machine does have auto idle. Now, I'm going to go into creep mode here, and I'll just start toggling this down. So I'm in creep mode, 20%, 19, 18, 17, 15. Now I'm going to bump it clear up here into, come on, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That creep mode is a very nice feature, especially if you are grading around something that you want to take your time with and you want to pay attention to what you're doing. You can dial that back, and then you can simply click back into 2-speed. It'll cancel that out. Little practice I like to do. I always like to look up and make sure my things are latched. Chat to a lot of customers. Guys, you're looking for a big loader. These are a nice size loader. Get a lot of work done. Amazing what you can do with this size of machine. It really is. Machine is ready to work. We can't find anything wrong with this machine. It is a very well loaded up machine. A lot of options. The big thing with this machine is it still has that extended warranty on it. Again, you have full emissions warranty until December 23rd of 27. You will have extended warranty on the machine until December 21st of 27. That's all through John Deere. Brand new tracks, full service done. All the oils are changed. Guys, there's no oil pouring out of that machine. It's not welded, busted, broke, smashed. The cab's nice. Very good running working machine. You got any questions? 814-658-3066. If you need a shipping quote, let us know. Guys, if you need financing, we can get someone financing that owns a business. I can't do anything on the personal side. We have people call every day. There's just nothing I can do on the personal side to help people. Go to your credit union, your local bank, who you deal with. I just don't have anything to offer you there. If you need shipping, that's not an issue. We'll gladly get you a shipping quote. Please understand I'm pricing these machines to sell. I'm not playing games. I'm not a used car sales guy. It's not my thing. I fairly well set my price, and I'm within a couple $100, and that's it. I just don't negotiate much. I don't mean that to sound like a jerk, but there's guys going to be asking $5,000 and $6,000 more for this machine. Some people are asking $10,000 more than I'm going to be asking. I just price stuff at a realistic price, and we're going to sell it. And there's people out there that think, well, he's priced it cheap because there's something wrong. There isn't. It's what we do. We're small family-owned businesses, and this is just how we keep cash flow turning. So, guys, if you need any attachments, we represent some really good companies. I sell all American-made attachment stuff. So if you need skid steer brush mowers, augers, pallet forks, additional buckets, auger drives, you name it, Nick Miller pretty well stocks it here at Mark Supply. We represent CID Extreme, Erskine, and Vernig, all American-made attachments. That's who we support because that's who we are, proud Americans. So, guys, if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Ask for Nick Miller. I'll be glad to help you in any way that we can. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.